What are the benefits of truthfulness? Honesty has long been a cornerstone of society, with philosophers and religious leaders alike espousing the virtues of speaking the truth and asserting that honesty is indeed the best policy. But beyond the moral and ethical implications of honesty, there is a growing body of scientific evidence that supports the idea that being truthful has profound effects on our mental and physical well-being. In this video, we will delve into the science of honesty and explore how being truthful can benefit both our brains and our bodies. The science of honesty. It's really fascinating how our brains are wired for honesty. Researchers found that the act of lying activates the amygdala, a region of the brain involved in processing emotion and information and generating fear and anxiety. This activation reflects the emotional discomfort associated with deception, which, in turn, can lead to stress-related physiological responses, such as increased sweating, high blood pressure, and increased heart rate, and sweaty hands. Denying or distorting the truth hinders our ability to learn from our mistakes and make meaningful progress in life. On the opposite side, being truthful has been shown to activate the prefrontal cortex, an area of the brain responsible for higher cognitive functions, such as decision-making, moral reasoning, and self-control. By speaking the truth even when it is uncomfortable or inconvenient, we show that we value the principles of transparency and fairness. Facing the truth, no matter how difficult, allows us to make better choices, developing resilience, and ultimately become the best version of ourselves. This activation suggests that when we choose to be honest, we are engaging in a more cognitively demanding process that relies on our capacity for self-regulation and ethical decision-making. The physical benefits of honesty. The stress associated with lying and deception can take a toll on our physical health. Studies have shown that individuals who engage in dishonest behavior are more likely to experience stress-related health issues, such as headaches, back pain, and difficulty sleeping. Chronic stress can weaken the immune system, making us more susceptible to infections and other illnesses. Practicing honesty can have a range of physical benefits. A study conducted by the University of Notre Dame found that individuals who made a conscious effort to be more honest experienced fewer physical health complaints, such as sore throats and headaches, compared to those who did not make such an effort. Being truthful can also help reduce stress levels, leading to lower blood pressure, improved immune function, and a decreased risk of stress-related illnesses. Imagine a legal system where witnesses routinely lie, or a government that operates on a foundation of falsehoods. The consequences would be disastrous, eroding public trust, and leading to chaos and instability. Honesty is the backbone of a functioning society, ensuring that institutions operate in a transparent and accountable manner. It enables citizens to make informed decisions, participate in civil discourse, and work together to create positive change. It is important to note that honesty does not mean being cruel or tactless. There are times when we need to deliver difficult truths with compassion and empathy. The goal is not to use honesty as a weapon to hurt others, but to build meaningful connections based on trust and respect. What are the psychological benefits of honesty? Being honest can have significant psychological effects. Research found that honesty is associated with higher levels of self-esteem, self-acceptance, and overall psychological well-being. When we are truthful, we are more likely to experience positive emotions, such as happiness and satisfaction, and less likely to experience negative emotions, such as guilt, shame, and anxiety. Honesty can also improve our relationships with others. Trust is a fundamental component of healthy relationships, and when we consistently tell the truth, we are more likely to be seen as trustworthy and reliable by our friends, family, and colleagues. Honesty allows us to present ourselves authentically and to hold ourselves accountable for our actions. It also shows respect for others' right to know the truth and make informed decisions based on accurate information. Respect is the glue that holds relationships together, and honesty is pivotal in earning and maintaining that respect. The truth can lead to stronger social connections and increased social support, both of which are essential for our mental health and overall well-being. The science of honesty reveals that being truthful is not only a moral and ethical imperative, but also a key factor in promoting our mental and physical health. By choosing to be honest, we can reduce stress, improve our relationships, and experience greater psychological well-being. As we strive to live healthier, happier lives, let us not forget the importance of honesty as a cornerstone of our well-being. Thank you for watching this video. Please pass on to your friends and family. Please like and subscribe in order to be notified when new videos are posted. Stay well.